I think that I'm gonna go back a different teacher, like a completely changed teacher, and they're gonna love it because I already use my body quite a lot, but I think I'm gonna do, huge things, magnificent things.
I loved everything about the course. It's given me so much confidence, and I feel like I now have a whole new package of things to give to my children.
What's really nice is that everybody is on a different teaching journey, and it can be very lonely from all different countries and different stages in our lives. Many of us mothers are balancing work with family life, and this was a really realistic and a generous overview of how we can take into our new careers or our existing careers lots of new skills and existing skills that we have more confidence to push forward. So it's been a real push of enthusiasm and also the confidence and the network in a world that can be very lonely as a teacher.
Wonderful journey, theatrical, magical. I will go home with lots of skills, and my bag is now really full of ideas and materials, and the most important thing, hope for the new future.
So I came here with a lot of expectations. So I had actually 3 goals. You asked us to have 3 goals. Okay, the first one was to go back home with a pocket full of new ideas and inspiration. I wanted to become a more confident teacher, and I wanted to make new teacher friends. And I have to say that the course met more than my expectations. It was really amazing. And I'm really glad I chose to come here, and I won't forget that week I spent here. It was wonderful.
Absolutely, it was a game-changing workshop for me, and I am taking a lot of new ideas and techniques to work with my young learners. Thank you, Miranda, for an incredible experience. I loved every bit of it.
Everything this week was a beautiful and excellent journey for me, an incredible adventure. I would never thought to be here like a kind of teacher, because I'm not a teacher. But you linked all my, all my dots. Passion for languages, the passion for music, the passion for culture, and meeting other people and staying together at the same house and sharing. This week was like a dream for me.
Online courses, I see you every day, or mostly, like every three months. But anyway, it's different. It's like it's alive. It's like you want to you go to the live concert. You can touch, you can feel, you can experience what your students also experience. It's like immersing. This is so different because I acted. I am not the teacher in here, and I am all my friends, all the teachers. You see, I get some ideas. It's like a jigsaw puzzle from the online class. There are elements that I cannot have in the online class than in the live session. And that's very important. You see, it seems easy on online, but in here, oh yes, oh this is what I do. Oh, it's so different. Like the spontaneity and the sharing of ideas, actually, because I work alone. I don't have any staff, you see, and I felt like home in here.